Hi there, in this short tutorial we will learn how you can easily find the inverse of a matrix. Let matrix A equal 1 3 5 3 1 2 8 6 3. Find out A inverse. First of all, we need to go to this operator mode, then press mode. Now choose this option matrix number of 6. Here you can see many options, Math A, Math C, Math B. You can choose any of them. I would like to choose this one. Here you can see many dimension option, 3 into 3, 3 into 1, 2 into 2, 3 into 2, 2 into 3, 2 into 1. Our dimension is 3 into 3. That's why choose number 1. Now we input our value 135. 1 equal 3 equal 5 equal 3 equal 1 equal. Now last one 863. 8 equal 6 equal 3 equal. Now press on button, then press shift button. Now press 4. Here you can see Math A is number of option 3, then press 3. Now press X inverse 1, this button, then equal. Here we can get our result. Hope so after watching this tutorial you are able to find out any inverse of a matrix. If you like my tutorial, please subscribe my channel and thanks for watching my tutorial.